Best wet for dry vacuums. I know how frustrating it can be to deal with messes in your home or garage. I bought and tested these wet-dry vacuums so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Let's dive into the top 5 picks that can make your cleaning tasks a breeze. Product number 1. Craftsman CMX EVBE 17250. I recently got my hands on the Craftsman CMX EVBE 17250, a lightweight 2.5-gallon wet-dry vacuum. From the moment I unboxed it, I was impressed by its portability. Weighing in at just a few pounds, I could easily carry it around the house, the garage, or even out to my car. It's designed for small messes, and let me tell you, it handles them like a champ. I had a spill in the kitchen, and it sucked up the water in seconds. The compact size also meant I could stash it away without taking up too much space. The 5-foot friction-fit hose was perfect for getting into tight spots, and the included crevice tool made cleaning the car a breeze. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, its portability and lightweight design are fantastic for anyone who needs a vacuum that's easy to maneuver. Product number 2. Armorall AA255W Wet Dry Utility Vac. Next up is the Armorall AA255W. At first glance, the bright orange and black design caught my eye, but it's the performance that really sold me. With 2 peak HP, it quickly cleaned up messes ranging from spilled drinks to sawdust in my workshop. The 2.5-gallon polypropylene tank is surprisingly durable and compact, making it easy to cart around. I was particularly impressed with the 12-foot cord and the 6-foot hose, which really extended my reach without having to unplug constantly. Let's discuss the pros and cons. One major advantage is its robust suction power, which can handle both wet and dry debris with ease. The integrated storage for the hose and accessories is a smart design feature that keeps everything organized, which I truly appreciated. Product number 3. Amazon Basics Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner. The Amazon Basics Wet Dry is my next favorite. At first, I was skeptical about a vacuum from Amazon's own line, but this 4-gallon stainless steel model surprised me with its performance. It's built tough, and the stainless steel construction ensures it can handle the rigors of regular use. I used it to clean up after a renovation project, and it tackled everything from sawdust to spilled paint without missing a beat. When it comes to pros and cons, this vacuum has some clear strengths. The powerful 3 HP motor provides ample suction for both wet and dry messes, and the onboard storage keeps everything organized, which I loved. The multiple nozzle attachments allowed me to customize my cleaning experience to fit various tasks. Product number 4. VacMaster Professional Beast Series VFB 511H. Next, let's talk about the VacMaster Professional Beast Series. This beast features a 5-gallon tank with a powerful 5.5 peak HP motor that really packs a punch. I used it for a major spring cleaning session, and the suction power was incredible. It's equipped with a high-efficiency cartridge filter that can capture fine dust particles, which is essential if you're dealing with drywall dust or sawdust. The 25-foot reach from the hose and power cord is a huge plus, allowing me to clean large areas without moving the vacuum around. In terms of pros and cons, this vacuum excels in suction power and versatility. The 9 included accessories were perfect for tackling various tasks around my house, and the onboard storage kept everything neat and tidy. However, it's a bit on the pricier side compared to others, which might not suit everyone's budget. Product number 5. VacMaster 5-gallon 4-peak HP stainless steel wet dry vacuum. Lastly, I tested the VacMaster 5-gallon 4-peak HP model. This one is built for daily use, and the stainless steel tank gives it a professional look while ensuring durability. I found it effective for both wet and dry pickups, and it was surprisingly quiet for a vacuum with such power. The 16-foot cleaning reach is generous, making it easy to cover larger spaces without hassle. With 6 accessories included, it's versatile enough for a variety of cleaning tasks. Pros include its powerful suction and easy transport due to the balanced top handle and wide stance casters. The onboard storage for accessories is a thoughtful touch, ensuring that everything is organized and ready when you need it. However, it might not have as many features as some higher-end models, and the suction strength might be insufficient for more industrial applications. There you have it, my top 5 wet-dry vacuums that I've tested and trust. Whether you need something portable for quick cleanups or a powerful machine for heavy-duty tasks, these vacuums cover all the bases. Choose one that fits your needs and make your cleaning tasks easier than ever.